First, drop the display background and adjust the size accordingly. Convert into raster, then select the empty area and use Content-Aware Fill. Now drag the image of tooth and by pressing Ctrl+T, adjust its size accordingly. Make new adjustment layer of color balance and adjust its balance by giving it some more bluish tone. Now, right-click with mouse on tooth layer and give an inner glow with blue color. Let's make the groups so it will be easier for us to find the layers and objects. Now, it's time to give an attractive look to tooth by surrounding it with some blue glow lines. First, change its blending mode to Screen, make a layer mask, and remove the unwanted areas by painting black on layer mask. Make a new duplicate and rotate a bit so it looks nice. Now, create a new layer. Use brush tool to make shadows underneath the tooth, so it will look realistic. We can increase the size of brush by using shortcut key, right bracket, and decrease by pressing left bracket. Let's add the heading text and by pressing Ctrl+T, adjust its size. By using blending options, make its color white so it can be visible to us. Change its font to Burbank Big Condensed. Drag the smiley image and by using Magic Wand tool, select the smiley. And then press Ctrl+C to copy that selected area and the paste in main document by pressing Ctrl+V. Use blending options to make its color overly white. Then transform it accordingly, and we are going to place text within this. Write the new text. Change its font to Futura MDBT. Make its size adjustable. And use text wrap to make it parallel to that smiley. Press Alt and drag the text. It will make copy of that layer. Make a rectangle behind that text. Fill the foreground color to text layer by pressing Alt+Enter. Right-click on layer containing text Dental Solutions and click Blending Options. Use Inner Glow. Set the size and opacity accordingly. Then Outer Glow and choose the values accordingly. Give a light blue color to rectangle. Also use blending options for this one to give it outer and inner glow as well. Press Alt on your keyboard and then drag FX on layer to other, on which you would like to apply the same effect. Let's hide the inner glows, so it will look only blue. The design font name is Little Pinky Doodles. Press Alt, and drag the layer it will make the duplicate. Make a group of all text layers and transform by pressing Ctrl+T. Drag the blue particles overlay and place on the display background. Change its blending mode to Soft Light and create the layer mask. Use black and white gradient on layer mask. It will create fade effect on overlay layer. Create new adjustment layer of solid color. Choose light blue and change its blending mode to screen. Then make layer mask and fill the layer mask with black color. This will hide the layer. Then choose soft round brush tool and paint white while selecting layer mask on different areas of canvas. Press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+E at the same. New layer will be created that has all the below layers merged in that. Use Camera Raw Filter to make it more pop. Use all the values accordingly. And that's it for today.